Alright, YouTube, there's a version of this belt tensioner pulley system on the aftermarket that has this cruddy plastic retainer, but it has two ball bearings in the pulley. Yay! Alright, the shaft diameter here is 392 thousandths. I went into my boxes of round hollow things and I found like a plastic nylon washer that's going to go in there. That's going to stop this larger steel washer. Notice how it's got a rounded ID and a rounded OD, sharp ID and a sharp OD. I'm going to put the sharp diameters on the outside, but those two washers will leave just enough room for a snap ring that's 360 thousandths in inner diameter. You're gonna have to do this particular configuration in this manner. You don't want a big washer rubbing on both the ID and the OD of the bearing. You want a washer that's only going to touch the ID, and then you need it, so it can act like a thrust washer. You're going to need a second washer to take up the axial gap. That's the way it's going to look. And that should hopefully last a lifetime.